If you are watching this video, then probably I can confidently say that you are a parent or you are a student and you want to improve your mathematics skills. If that is the case, then you are in the right place. Welcome. My name is Samuel. I am a mining engineer by profession, and I'm also certified by Microsoft as a trainer and instructor. Currently, as I'm speaking to you, I have over 1,400 students who are taking my courses on the Udemy platform. Incidentally, the mathematics courses that I'm going to introduce to you do not appear in any of my courses on the Udemy platform. I have created courses for Year 7, Year 8, and Year 9 for the Austrian mathematics curriculum and JHS1, JHS2, and JHS3 for the West African Examination Council curriculum. These courses are tightly mapped to the curriculum. So by the time you finish taking any of these courses, either Year 7, Year 8, Year 9, or JHS1, JHS2, JHS3, by the time you finish taking a course, you will have gone through every aspect of your syllabus. I am guaranteeing you, based on what I know I have put in the course, that by the time you finish taking my course, you will have improved your mathematics skill by at least 70%. That is my guarantee to you, because I know what I have actually put in the course, and I know how much it will benefit you if you are able to follow the steps and follow the instructions that I've given you in the course. I have over 1,000 exercises in each course, and each exercise is supported by videos and text explanations. The course is completely hands-on, and it demands you to work hard and to follow the instructions that I have given you in the course. And because of the hands-on nature of the course, I expect you to work hard. And as you know, there is no free lunch. So if you want to improve your mathematics skills, I have provided you with the tools and the materials that you need. All that you need to do is to work as hard as you can. I guarantee you, as I said previously, that if you're able to go through this course faithfully, you will increase your mathematics skills by at least 70%. And that, again, I say it, that is a guarantee from me. Every topic that we discuss is followed by video explanations and text explanations. Before you embark on the course, I encourage you to take the self-assessment test. I have provided a self-assessment test for you to see where you stand even before you embark on the course. When you go through the course, from time to time, come back to the assessment test until you score 100%. And make sure that you do every exercise that are provided in the course. I actually advise you to work in a group. If you have a friend, work through the exercises with your friend. I will advise you and encourage you to work in a group of not more than 4 people, at most 3 people, so that you can have meaningful discussions of the exercises that I give you through the course. In addition to this course, I can have a one-to-one meeting with students to go through their assignments and to help them with any difficulties that they might be facing. And that is one-to-one. I will be available to come and help you with everything that you need help for. And then I also have a Zoom session based on my own timetable. I have Zoom sessions for group classes, Zoom sessions for group classes that you can actually register and join. So, as I have already told you, I want you to take my course, and in doing so, you will surely improve your mathematics skills. And that in turn will boost your confidence. Let me meet you online. We will go through every topic that you need to know in your mathematics syllabus. And at the end of the day, you will excel in your class examinations, and knowing what I have put in my course, if you are able to follow my course, you will excel in your final examination in mathematics. So let me see you online.
Hello, my name is Caleb, and this is my grandpa. And for the last few months, he has been helping me develop my math skills in ways that I never thought were possible. He has been helping me and been nurturing me through my maths journey, and without him, I definitely couldn't have achieved what I have achieved. So I recommend that you check out his site for many good learning options.
Hi, my name is Sarah, and this is my grandpa. He's been helping me along my maths journey for a while now, and he makes maths so much easier to understand. He's able to explain the questions very well so that it's easy to understand, and now he's sharing what he knows through his online maths course. I recommend that you go and check out the site.